Yeah, hi, Tony, it's Mark at FMAV. Okay, just to let you know, I've done your laser for you. Okay, well, I've not done your laser for you, I've done the whole thing for you. It would have been quicker for me just to have done some form of swap with you for another part. Okay, so basically, I've changed the spindle motor, I've changed the track motor, I've changed the micro switch, I've changed the whole chassis, and I've repaired your board. Okay, the board had dry joints in it, so I honestly don't know how this thing would have worked. I'm sort of scratching my head because I've changed every part in this. Virtually every part on this was absolutely screwed. You know, I'm not going to charge you any more money or anything like that. You know, just think of it, as a gift type of thing. But it's a lot of work on this, to be honest with you. And it's taken me far more time. Only made the reason I was late, taking my time is because I had to get a spindle motor, and the guy that has my parts, he's in hospital with pneumonia, and yeah, I don't know whether he's actually going to come back out, unfortunately. But yeah, I was waiting on him to send me his part, and he's not going to be sending it, so I've had to source it from somewhere else. So there you go, all working as it should be. Let me just turn the music up for you, so you can hear that. I'm going to go up a track. You can hear that playing there. I'll go up another track. I'll go up another track. Just make sure that when you're, just check your CDs as well is another thing. I always say this to people, just make sure it ain't got, bad scratches and stuff like that on it. Yeah, I mean, I must admit, on my parts, this is the type of CDs that I use, right? See that is absolutely scratched to bits. And I use these for testing to make sure, because if it runs on that, it's going to run on anything. But just people put dirty discs in, or some copy CDs don't work on these. Sometimes they do. It depends how you burn them. But yeah, that's all working as it should be. That's going to go out today for you. So yeah, I hope you're happy with that. Again, Tony, thank you very much, mate. And any probs, just give me a shout, mate. You got my number, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. You have a good one, mate. Look after yourself. Cheers, buddy.